UK-based human rights lawyer and political commentator Brighton Mutebuka has described President Emmerson Mnangagwa as a ruthless leader who disregards political soul ties, accusing him of betraying long-term allies. Sanabna mashoko onekwa kunzi a top human rights lawyer blast Mnangagwa. Betraying Mugabe and Chiwenga shows ruthlessness. Not boss subscribe all I got on the bell. I continue to writing on X on Monday, Mutebuka said Mnangagwa's actions against the late former President Robert Mugabe and General Constantino Chiwenga review a calculating and cold approach to politics. In quotes, betraying both Robert Mugabe and Chiwenga in quick succession shows that ED is extraordinarily cold, callous, calculating, cunning, and ruthless in pursuit of his interests. It means that he succeeded in deceiving them despite establishing lifelong relationships with them both, Mutebuka wrote. He further criticized Mnangagwa's handling of Chiwenga, saying Chiwenga will also have to figure out why ED and Muchangwa feel that they can toy with, run rings around him. Is he that easy to lead to them? The worst example of this is when they pulled the rug from right under his feet by asking him to preside over the meeting which formalized Taguresi's appointment to ZANU-PF Central Committee. Mutebuka added that during the meeting, minutes from the meeting which sealed the admission were formally adopted so that the record could show that this was presided over by Chiwenga, meaning that he could not challenge the process on procedural irregularities. This is scheming, mischief-making, gooding and gloating of the highest order, almost to the point of showing off one's so-called chessboard skills. He concluded, I think this is a deliberate Machiavellian ploy to demoralize, confuse, confound, and express unparalleled dominance as a prelude to inducing him to voluntarily give up the ghost, thus effectively asking Chiwenga to preside over the succession funeral, but without realizing it. The play is on lulling Chiwenga into believing that he was being accorded ultimate respect when they were doing otherwise. It's clear that they do not reach Chiwenga's game on the chessboard, where ED loves play and pull intricate political maneuvers. Thomas Warubuda Pangwa ina chinzi mutungamiri wenyika aiwa akabetreya Robert Gabriel Mugabe pamwechete naChiwenga zvinozoratidza kuti is ruthless. Pana comment section medu muridza mafunguro enyu matudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.